Project Management Lite, TDSB IT Portfolio Management and Communications. Target audience is the leadership and learning group Schedule 2 and up. The objective of the session is to develop time management, organization, project management, and communication skills, with the concept to deliver the basic skills to organize and manage projects where the scope and magnitude are not large enough to warrant an IT project manager to be assigned, including meeting management best practices. When to activate this methodology. TDSB IT Services is in the business of creating value for its stakeholders, students, teachers, and central admin staff. A project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. The temporary nature of projects indicates a beginning and an end to the project work or a phase of the project work. Projects can operate within a program, a portfolio, or a standalone activity. A project requires a specific methodology and management. Project management. Application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities in order to meet project requirements. Project teams can achieve the outcomes using a broad range of approaches, for example, predictive, hybrid, and adaptive. This standard applies regardless of industry, location, size, or delivery approach. Project management provides oversight and coordination, governance, facilitation and support, business direction and insight, provides resources and direction, and applies expertise. Benefits of project management. Focus on value, continually evaluating and adjusting project to business objectives and intended value. Value is the ultimate indicator of project success. Value focuses on the outcome of the deliverables. Desired outcomes should be clearly described, iteratively assessed, and updated throughout the project. Enable project collaboration. Definition of roles and responsibilities. Regular standing meetings to review work and exchange information. Team agreement on processes and documentation. Effectively engage with stakeholders, individuals, groups, organizations. Stakeholders influence projects, performance, and outcomes. Project teams serve other stakeholders by engaging with them. Stakeholder engagement proactively advances value delivery. Build quality into processes and deliverables. Project quality entails satisfying stakeholders' expectations, fulfilling project and product requirements. Quality focuses on meeting acceptance criteria for deliverables. Optimize risk responses. Risks can be positive, opportunities, and negative threats. Risks are addressed continually throughout the project. Embrace adaptability and resiliency. Adaptability is the ability to respond to changing conditions. Resiliency is the ability to absorb impacts and recover. Inspections and adaptations of project work to identify improvement opportunities. Short feedback loops to adapt quickly. Open team and organizational conversations. Enable change to achieve the envisioned future state. Projects, by definition, create something new. They are agents of change. Enabling change can be challenging as not all stakeholders embrace change. Stakeholder engagement and motivational approaches assist in change adoption. Explanation of ITSR process. An IT service request, or ITSR, must be submitted via the SharePoint portal when a proposed new TDSB initiative impacts the existing information technology environment. Operational requests, such as new staff network account setup, install desktop software, repair a laptop device, report network outages, etc., are submitted via ServiceNow, not ITSR. The ITSR Review Committee convenes every second Tuesday to review new submissions, discussing the progress of existing ITSRs and other administrative tasks such as closing ITSRs. A submission must include key details about the request, who is sponsoring the ITSR, business case, funding budget, staff resources required, etc., including the required date to complete the ITSR and how your ITSR aligns with the TDSB's multi-year strategic plan. Scheduling and running effective meetings. Decide if you really need a formal meeting. If an email with information or action items or a link to a collaborative document will suffice, a meeting may not be necessary. If a meeting is required, then decide on the method: in person, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, conference call, etc. Understand technology limitations, tools available, such as audio, video, screen sharing, muting participants, chat, session recording, etc. Have a backup lead if possible, in the event the lead is running late or is having a technical issue. Have meeting structure, like an agenda, pre-meeting homework, or expectations. Wisely choose your audience, such as decision makers or action takers. Organize the information to discuss. Consider a 15-minute touchpoint meeting with a checklist as opposed to an hour-long meeting. Running effective meetings. Actively manage your meetings and keep the conversations on topic. Start and end on time if possible. Being mindful that attendees may be in back-to-back meetings. Advise the attendees if you will be running late. Park side discussions or items for later if there is time, or take them offline. If possible, have someone dedicate to taking meeting minutes. Engage all participants. If feedback is required, ensure all voices are heard. At the end of the meeting, discuss next steps and assign tasks as necessary. Send a recap email with meeting minutes and action items and their assignees. Communication methods. Mass TDSB communication. Corporate or department communication includes system leaders bulletin, direct line for staff, social media, Twitter community, students, parents, staff, department communication such as ITS bulletin emails to communicate service disruptions. ITS Weekly Update started in September 2021. Formal status reporting. Project dashboards, including progress charts, pie charts, and Gantt charts. Meeting minutes, regular weekly and monthly reports, newsletters, etc. Regular placeholder meetings, such as a weekly call every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Tools. Features are a dime a dozen, but benefits matter. Free or paid project management tools can be found with a simple online search. Commonly used PM tools include Microsoft Project, Microsoft Planner, Azure DevOps, Jira. Find tools that make your life easier, but also engage and provide value to your stakeholders. Tools that project teams may find value in are creators like Visio, PowerPoint, Word, OneNote, Excel, etc. Analyzers like Whimsical, Mind Manager, Power BI. Keepers like OneDrive, Google Drive, SharePoint. Socializers, Google Meet, Teams, Zoom, Skype, the telephone. And organizers, Outlook, Project, Planner, Azure DevOps, Google Keep. Document repository. Document repositories. Establish a shared document repository dedicated to the project. Opt in for solutions such as Office 365, Google Workspace, G Suite, OneDrive where possible. Work with stakeholders to ensure collaboration, centralized cloud storage with the ability to share, enable versioning or revision history where possible, manage one document instead of 20 versions. Manage and control your access control lists, ACL, to prevent mishaps. Back up your project data during and towards the end of your project. Keepers plus creators equals more time. Project closure. Closure tasks. Archive project artifacts such as meeting minutes, status reports, support and configuration documents. Document and review lessons learned with the project team. Ensure the service or product implemented has been transitioned to the operation teams. This might include a formal support structure, organizational level agreement, and knowledge base articles. Decommission legacy systems, processes, and procedures. Releasing both human and capital resources. And celebrate success. Want to learn more? There are many resources on TDSB's Percipio. Register for a learning channel on project management. Thank you.